Wolf's Nation is what Wolf here. I just picked up my copy of WWE 2K20 the Deluxe Edition. Hopefully, it's not as bad as everyone says it is. I hope. But let's see what's inside, shall we? Okay. No, damn, I can't switch the shit. Oh. I got Supercard Season 5 for The Rock, Mankind, and they support Mr. Sacco. Sweet. I got the game itself, which is the main part of this, but I hope something cool in these two boxes. Never mind. Hey. I got the master of the 619 when he made his debut, and I got a very young Brock Lesnar. Next big thing, not a beast incarnate. Suplex Big Show, and a bloody ring collapsed for the first time ever, I think. Awesome. WWE SmackDown Authentic Ring Skirt 2002 to 2008. Shit, fuck. That is it for now, Wolves Nation. I will see you another time.